How to underlock CPU for lower temperature. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, you have to come below at your PC's search bar, then type in Edit Power Plan. As you do so, you will see Edit Power Plan. On your right hand side, click on to Open. Now here you will see Power Options. Click onto it. Then by default, it might be unbalanced. You have to click on Change Plan Settings. Once you click onto it, click again on Change Advanced Power Settings. A menu will pop up. You have to scroll below and double-click Processor Power Management. Just as you do so, you will see Minimum Processor State and Maximum Processor State. Double-click onto the second option, and you will see 100%. You have to make sure that it is at least up to 90. Once you do so, you can also leave it as 94%. And do the same for plugged in as well. Once done, click on to OK. Now here, this will definitely lower your CPU battery. And just like so, this is how you can do the same as well. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.